Hey there, curious minds! Let's dive into the hidden superpowers of your tongue. Did you know your tongue is not just for tasting? Sure, it's packed with thousands of taste buds that help you savor sweet, salty, sour, and bitter flavors. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. First up, speech. Without your tongue, forming words would be nearly impossible. It works with your lips, teeth, and vocal cords to produce the sounds we use to communicate. Try saying tongue twister without your tongue touching your teeth, see? It's tricky, but wait, there's more. Your tongue plays a huge role in maintaining oral health. It helps move food around your mouth and assists in cleaning your teeth. Plus, it's a first line of defense against harmful bacteria. Pretty cool, right? Now let's get into some surprising facts. Your tongue is incredibly strong. It might not lift weights, but it's a powerhouse of endurance and flexibility. It's the only muscle in your body that works without any support from your skeleton. That's some serious muscle power. Ever tried to touch your nose with your tongue? If you can do it, you're part of a small percentage of people with this unique ability. It's known as the Gorlin sign. Fun party trick, huh? And did you know your tongue print is as unique as your fingerprint? No two tongues are alike. In the future, we might even see tongue print recognition technology. Imagine unlocking your phone with a lick. So next time you think about your tongue, remember it's not just a taste machine, it's a multifunctional hero in your mouth. If you enjoyed discovering these tongue-tastic facts, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Stay curious. Catch you next time.